Dear children, good morning. Today I am going to teach you how to fill the blanks in your grammar book. So, take your grammar book, that is Collins Exploring Grammar, right? Take your book, be ready with your pencil. Take page number 13. Exercise 1. Let us make sentences. In the rectangle box, it's given to remember what do you mean by simple sentence, what do you mean by class, what do you mean by phrase, what is verb group, and what is complex sentences. So many explanations are printed. Already last few weeks I taught you how to make simple compound complex sentences by using conjunctions and prepositional phrases. Okay. Now let us straight away go to the exercise A. Come on. Exercise A. Complete the sentences using the words given below in a rectangle box. In the rectangle box, conjunctions and relative pronouns are given. What are the words given there? After, although, because, since, which, and who. Okay, we must choose the needed suitable word for the sentences given below. Number 1, the answer is already given in the book. She is a very good writer, although not everyone likes her books. Although is given, that is right, although, even though, anything, but here in the rectangle box, although is given, is a complex sentence. The second one, I think it was Amit blank first suggested that we have a picnic. So just before the blank, name of a person Amit is given. Naturally, the name should be followed by a relative pronoun who, who. So your answer, I think it was Amit who first suggested that we have a picnic. So use your pencil and fill the blank with the word relative pronoun who. Okay, right. Next, number 3. I got a phone call from Revati just dash you left on Saturday. This is all about the time. I got a phone call when from Revati just dash you left on Saturday. So this blank, third blank, can be filled with the word after. So your answer is, I got a phone call from Revati just after you left on Saturday. So third sentence, fill the blank with the word conjunction after. Right? Turn the page, page number 14. Question number 4. My bicycle, comma, blank I have had for 5 years is now too small for me. So here you can fill the blank with my bicycle which I have had for 5 years. So when a lifeless object is given, it should be followed by the relative pronoun which. So your answer is, my bicycle which I have had for 5 years is now too small for me. That means you have grown up. Okay. I hope you are all writing. Copy down the answer. Number 5. I haven't seen my cousin Rekha ever dash she visited us 2 years ago. It's also about the timing. So I haven't seen my cousin Rekha ever since she visited 2 years ago. So you have to use since in the fifth blank. Okay. Sixth one, I was upset. Upset means sad. Then blank, my best friend has just moved to Mumbai. I was upset. Why? Why? Because your best friend has just moved to Mumbai. Come on, let us pass on to the exercise 2B. It is given in the form of conversation between or dialogue between Pooja and her friend Maya. Right? Pooja and her friend Maya are discussing their weekends. Complete the dialogue. Use the correct form of the verbs given in the rectangle box. Okay? What are the words given? Afford, do, go, help, play, see, stay. Afford means paying money, spending money for a particular thing. Okay? First Pooja speaks. Hey, Maya, what do you usually do at the weekend, Maya? So first one answer, in the book itself it is printed. Do is selected. Okay? Maya. Well, I love dash to the cinema. Here, the second blank, you have to choose the word go from the rectangle box, but love already verb is given, complete verb. So, well, I love going to the cinema. So here, the second blank you must use the present participle form, ing form. Well, I love going to the cinema, although I can't afford afford. That means she cannot spend lot of money every week. Okay, I can't afford afford to go every week. So the third blank you must choose the first word given in the rectangle box, afford to go every week. If I don't do that, I sometimes dash fourth blank tennis with a friend. Here you must choose, I think you easily choose the verb play. I sometimes play tennis with a friend. How about you? That is a question by Maya. Pooja is answering, well, after I have dash my mother with the housework. The blank you must use help. Actually, you must choose the verb given in the rectangle box, help, but here after I have is given before the blank. So in 7th standard itself I have taught you have, has must be followed by past participle form of the verb. So your answer is, well, after I have helped my mother, helped, helped my mother with the housework, I like to dash my friends. I like to. To is a preposition followed by all the time present form of the verb. I like to see my friends. So you in the sixth blank you must fill the blank with the verb see. My friends, see my friends. If they are free, we might go to each other's houses or perhaps the park. If they are not free, I sometimes just dash at home. Very simple and easy. You can choose the last word given in the rectangle box. Stay at home and read a book. That is it. So I hope you all have filled all the blanks with the words, proper verbs. Yes, children, we can go to next exercise C. This is matching the columns to make sentences. Number 1, the book. The word the book is given. Then in the middle, conjunctions and relative pronouns are given. And the third rectangle box, A, B, C, D, E, the back part of the sentence given. We should select the relative pronoun and conjunction, suitable one, and we have to combine the sentences. And below many blanks are given. Number wise you should write the sentences. Number 1, the book, you have to connect the word the book, and we first of all you must choose which will be the suitable second part. Contains a DVD, cost 1500 rupees. That is explaining about the book. So the book which which can be the suitable relative pronoun. Now the first one answer you can write in the blank. The book which contains a DVD cost 1500 rupees. Okay, write the sentence in the long blank given below the rectangle box. Next, number 2 is a question, yes or no question. Is that the lady who lives in the big house on the hill? So for the second one, the C can be connected, that is very suitable second part. The relative pronoun is who, because a lady is a person, woman. Okay, now your second one answer, the sentence is, complete sentence is that the lady who lives in the big house on the hill? Is that the lady who lives in the big house on the hill? It's a question. Number 3 is about a room. This is the room. This is the room. Third sentence. I think B, very second part, we use when we have guest. So that can be connected with the relative pronoun that. This is the room that we use when we have guests. Okay. So third one, and the right answer is, the sentence, complete sentence is, this is the room that lives in the this is the room that we use when we have guests. Okay. Fourth one, Mrs. Patel is a teacher for whom? The fourth sentence can be connected with A. Mrs. Patel is a teacher for whom I have the greatest respect. Okay. Fourth one, Mrs. Patel is a teacher for whom I have the greatest respect. Fifth one, money is needed for families, can be connected with the families whose homes were destroyed in the floods. So D. Fifth sentence can be meaningfully connected with D. So your answer sentence is, money is needed for families whose homes were destroyed in the floods. Okay, children, I hope you can copy one by one all the 5 meaningful sentences in the given blank. After writing down all the A, B, C, all the 3 exercises, send the copy to my personal WhatsApp number. The remaining D, E and all we can continue in next week. All the best.